Okay, so on the email video that you've received recently, I spoke about the euro dollar taking off, and I think the euro in the early part of January is going to have a big move, and I think it's starting to move now, guys. So this morning in our live trading room, we were focusing on this. So I'm long here at £5. We're already up 450 quid on this trade. I've already managed to bank a little bit of that, 100 quid, 117 on a small day trade this morning that closed down about 11 o'clock this morning, and a couple of other trades that I've closed down from this morning as well. So up about 601 here, and a lot of them, done before 9 a.m. this morning, first thing on Monday morning, back in the live trading room. And so the plan really for this euro dollar is to, and I've brought the stop now to break even. You can see here, this blue line was my entry on the green pro trend system and tracks. And my stop was below that, of course, but now it's moved above. So it's locked in the profits. I've locked in this £14 here. So I can't lose, but I'm going for a much bigger trade on this one, and I will add to the profitable trade if it continues to move. Now the Aussie dollar here as well started to buy into the Aussie dollar. That's making that was a buy signal here on the tracks BTS. That's pushing up quite nicely as well. Right, so I'm going to bring my stop to break even on that. So I just click it here, okay, and then I move it up, and now I've locked in the profits here. So I've got a free trade. Your job as a trader is to get a free trade where you cannot lose. Now, going on the subject of what I spoke about on the last several videos, the secret really for trading, guys, is letting those profits run, getting those big profitable trades. When people are getting out really early on trades and faking themselves out, I want to be holding on to this until the pro trend system on this particular time frame, being the 4 hour, turns back to red. When's that going to come? Well, you don't know. The system is working out that there's more buyers involved in this move. Now that could come all the way up here at 65, okay, all the way up here. We're trading at 63 nearly now. So trying to second guess is not a good thing in trading. You just need to use your system and trade your system. Okay, we are a little bit extended up here now. We've pushed higher, but who knows, this could go even higher. My exit signal is really simple. It's a red pro trend system, because when it turns red, it means sellers are in control. So I want to get out the trade. While we're going up here, the buyers are in control. So I want to stay long, and I want to stay as long as I possibly can in this trade. Because if you start to second guess, I think this is going to do this is going to do that, then you're trading with emotion. And here, I don't want to be trading with emotion. Another little tip here that I think's challenging for new traders. If you look at the P&L, it's up £500. It was up about 380 just a minute ago. Now it's up 500. If you're new to trading and £500 is a lot of money for you, you might think, okay, well, that's a lot of money. That's like, that's an income for me. If I can make £500 a day, that's it, I'm done. And you'll take the profit. You attach your history to that P&L. £500 might be a lot of money for you. All right. For other people, it might be nothing, hardly anything. £500 is a lot of money. Okay, I think. But for some people, it might not be. And so they won't manage the trade. What I mean by that is that you trade your P&L. You end up trading your P&L. So a good thing is to actually, don't even look at it. Don't even look at your P&L. Trade the charts. All right. Now, most moves in trading are small moves. I reckon about 70% the moves are small. When I say small, I think 20 to 30 pips in FX. Now, when you spot a big move, a potential, because I think the euro here could really go on a big move all the way up to 112 here, because I've seen this pattern very often. And I think we could be going higher. And once the pro trend system kicks in green here, watch this, guys, because this is going to explode higher. If I'm going for a big move, the worst thing I could do is just look at the P&L. Look at the profit, because it could impact somebody, could impact you. Where for me, and you'd get out the trade too early before it gets all the way up to 112. What I want to be doing is I want to be adding to the position. All right, so I want to be buying more and add to this trade because I'm going for a bigger move. And how I'm going to do that is because the first position here is at break even. You see this green pro trading system? Okay, when it comes back to these green dots here, these green dots are the tracks, pro trading system tracks. When it comes back here, I'm going to buy some more. Now, I'm either going to get stopped out of that trade or I'm going to go into profit. Now, let's say, because it hasn't happened yet, let's say we come back to the tracks because buyer signals back to the tracks are brilliant. So let's say we get back to the tracks here today. It comes back to 103.96. This is really easy, guys. It's not hard at all, okay? When it comes back to this area here, I buy some, and then it starts to push up again. I'll do what I do here. I'll move my stop to break even. So now I've got £10 on the trade in the spread betting account. And then tomorrow, the next day, as the daily leads the market higher, the daily chart turns green, I will buy some more. All right, I will continue to buy. And I might have 5 or 6 positions. We might get up to about £100 a point or something. Okay, so I will add and add and add and go for the big move. Because there's only a small amount of trades out there that are big moves. Most of them are small moves. But when you do spot a big move, then I really, really want to not get out the trade quickly. I want to be getting in and add into that position. Trade less and make more. So that's my philosophy on this. I think, as I said on the previous video before this Monday morning, I think the euro's going to have a big move. And it's already starting. It looks like. It will confirm a big move once the daily turns green on the pro trading system, all right, and tracks. Then I think we could get all the way up to 112 over the coming weeks. And as we progress over the coming weeks, I really want to, as I said, want to add to that trade, all right? Because big moves don't always happen, all right? Hope it helps, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like that video. But I thought, wasn't expecting that we would get probably a decent spike today. I thought that might come maybe Monday afternoon or Tuesday, but you know, we're underway, it looks like. Let's see if we can hold. Let's see if we can get some green pro trading system buys and tracks, and see if we can see this market exploding higher. Hope it helps, and I'll speak to you soon. Have a great rest of the day.